Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to your Trust wallet. Now, make sure you have USDT on your Bybit and basically log into your account. The same works on desktop version too. Now, you want to go ahead, click on Assets, click Withdraw button, and from here you want to go ahead and find USDT, click on it. Now, here is your coin. You're gonna need the address and the network. So for this, we need to go to our Trust wallet. Go here. Now we want to go ahead and click Receive. Write down USDT. And as you can see, there's a lot of options because there's a lot of networks. So we want to choose Ethereum network of USDT and copy the code. Go back to Bybit. Enter the code here. Now we want to choose network Ethereum and enter the amount which you want to go ahead and transfer, and then you click withdraw. After that, you will get your USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.